Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the right slide. Make sure your microphone is connected and selected in System Audio settings so recordings are clean. Once ready, switch to Slideshow or Record tab. Record Slideshow begins capture of voice and slide timings. Speak clearly and at normal pace. Pause between sentences to allow easy edits later. If you prefer, test a short clip to confirm levels, then delete it and start again. This first step locks your input and prepares the file for stepwise narration. Begin recording with Record Slideshow and narrate each slide fully. PowerPoint captures timing so animations sync automatically. If you make a mistake, stop and re-record only that slide. Go to Insert Audio to add pre-recorded files if preferred. Use the Playback tab to trim silence or split long clips, and make sure to check Slideshow View to confirm timing and transitions. Once done, save a copy. This protects your original while you refine audio levels and clip placement. Preview the entire presentation to confirm voiceover sync and consistent volume. Adjust per slide audio and playback as needed. When satisfied, export to MP4 via file export to embed narration, or save the PPTX to keep editable tracks. If audio is missing during playback, make sure speaker icons aren't muted, slides aren't hidden, and your audio device is selected. Relink or reinsert audio files if required. Finally, keep a backup copy and a separate exported video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.